Tired of that non-stop ringing in your ears? Wondering if Zen Cortex 2025 is the real deal or just another overhyped supplement? In this video, I reveal my honest review of Zen Cortex for tinnitus relief, what actually happened after trying it, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. Let's face it, tinnitus is more than just annoying. That high-pitched ringing, buzzing, or hissing can mess with your sleep, concentration, and peace of mind. I tried everything from white noise machines to expensive ear treatments. Nothing gave me lasting relief. And if you've been in the same boat, you know how hopeless it can feel. So when I saw all the Zen Cortex reviews claiming it could help reduce tinnitus naturally by supporting brain health and nerve repair, I was skeptical but curious. With more people turning to natural tinnitus supplements in 2025, I decided to test it myself. Zen Cortex is packed with ingredients like ginkgo biloba, zinc, magnesium, and B-complex vitamins, all linked to brain function and auditory health. I committed to taking it daily for a full 30 days. Here's what happened. Week 1. No major changes, but I did feel a bit more clear-headed. Week 2. The ringing started to dull slightly, especially in quiet rooms. Week 3. Noticeable relief, longer periods, without that piercing sound. Week 4. I finally experienced hours of complete silence that hadn't happened in years. While it's not a miracle overnight fix, Zen Cortex definitely reduced my tinnitus symptoms, improved my focus, and helped me sleep better. No side effects either, which was a bonus. So, is Zen Cortex 2025 legit or hype? For me, it delivered real tinnitus relief without drugs or side effects. If you're looking for a natural solution that targets the brain-ear connection, it's worth a try. Drop a comment below if you've used Zen Cortex or have questions. I reply to everyone. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tinnitus supplement reviews and honest health advice. And don't forget to check the official Zen Cortex website in the description so you avoid fakes or scams.